First of all, I would like to thank UNICEF and DEF for giving us the opportunity to present BSNL's services here in AP. And as all of you know, BSNL is the oldest service provider, telecom service provider in the country. Of course, BSNL is formed on 1st October 2000, but before that also, as a government department, we were providing telecom services to the entire country. Okay, this is some brief introduction about the telecom services in India. It first started with the first telegraph line in 1850, which came into operation in 1851 actually. The work started in 1850 and then... today BSNL is the largest telecom service provider in the telephony, all services put together. But in mobile telephony, BSNL is not the largest, but it is one of the major player in India, with a customer base of 102 million as of October 2014. Majority of the customer base is in rural area. BSNL is providing wireless services in WLL and GSM, both technologies. And BSNL's rural penetration has increased from 20% to more than 80% with WLL in rural areas. And tariff also was much very low. With very low tariff, we could attract many customers in rural areas. And BSNL has a OFC network of more than 6 lakh kilometers in the entire country, which is a very strong backbone network. And with this, we are able to cover all the mandal headquarters in the entire country. And major cities are connected through multi-gigabit backbone using MPLS technology in a mesh architecture. And BSNL's VoIP network and tower infrastructure formed backbone of India's mobile telephony revolution. And then BSNL provided initially the required backbone connectivity to all the operators. Slowly they have developed their own this thing. And then in rural broadband, rural broadband kiosks in AP. In AP we have totally 1,335 broadband kiosks. Mostly these are established in our telephone exchanges only. And other than this, we have in AP, our reach is around 4 lakh broadband connections in AP. And we are providing this connectivity to universities and higher education institutions through this national knowledge network. And then the connectivity provided by BSNL is transforming the educational landscape of the state, providing access to quality education resources to student and teacher community. And then there are the number of universities given this 1 GB connectivity and number of colleges. Totally 31 universities in the entire AP are given this 1 GB connectivity, and other colleges and all, they are being given this connectivity with the subsidy being provided by Minister of HRD to the extent of 75%. 75% subsidy is given by Ministry of HRD. Only rest 25% only is to be paid by the institutions, the colleges. And these are the various other services we are providing. It's a dedicated, secured lease line connectivity, internet lease lines, MPLS-based VPN, and enterprise broadband and fiber to office lease lines. And these are some of the customers we are serving. There is some department, various departments in the state governments, like stamps and registration department, district local government bodies, cooperative banks. And through AP SWAN also we have provided some 2050 links connecting all mandal headquarters, district headquarters, and state headquarters. And with our mobile network, we have more than 10,000 towers in the entire AP, covering 70% of the rural areas and rest in urban areas. And with this network, our mobile presence is helping us, helping various departments like women development and child welfare, SERP, to use our services. This BSNL is authorized service agency. The services are being used by authenticated user agencies to bring in more transparency and cut a leakage in the implementation of various government welfare schemes also. The AP Circle provided ESA services to Civil Supplies Department and Postal Department also. The results have been very promising for ensuring leakage-free reach of government subsidies to the targeted population. Excuse me. Various value-added services like bulk SMS, customized caller tunes, INCUG services for corporate customer, UN toll-free services, location-based services, all these things we are providing. And they are being utilized by various organizations, including this election commission also, for voter registration and creating voter awareness during the elections, and other departments for Pulse Polio campaign, for health and family welfare department, anti-corruption campaign for the ACB department, and customized caller tunes with socially relevant messages provided on occasions of elections, Pulse Polio campaign, police department, etc. And internet data centers are established in various parts of the country. This can be utilized by the customers. These cloud computing services most suitable for availing large, massive scale computing resources for a short duration. People need not invest on capex for computing services. They can utilize this, our services. These system integration services. BSNL provides turnkey system integration services, providing single window telecom solutions for various government enterprise customers. Some of the services on offer are mobile handsets with applications, campus LAN, Wi-Fi, remote infrastructure monitoring, WAN with routers and switches, RF connectivity. BSNL's IP-based CCTV surveillance. This network cameras for security and safety of citizens and resolution of incidents quickly. AP Circle provided connectivity for 99 CCTV network cameras for traffic police in Hyderabad. As a social responsibility, BSNL is providing. Basically, we are the service providers, and customers, our customers like state government departments, various departments, they are utilizing our services in giving further content-based thing to the population, mostly rural population, which has a definite effect on the improvement of the quality of the lives of the society. So with this, I thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, is there anybody who has some questions? Yeah, please.
So, Mr. Nagaraju, with the kind of wireless reach that you have in the tier 2, tier 3 cities in India and in the rural India, what kind of trends do you see emerging? What is it that people are expecting out of their mobile devices and the services that they avail? How do you see these expectations panning out in the next 2 years? What is it in the next 2 years that people will expect as services on their mobile devices?
Okay. Actually, our presence is more in rural areas. So, from their requirement point of view, they'll expect wider coverage at lesser tariff. That is the main thing. And with the presence of our BSNL network, the state government is using to serve in many ways, like this women and child development, those Anganwadi workers, they're using it for their day-to-day activities. And this SERP also, this is Society for Elimination of Rural Poverty. For those type of social activities, they are using our network. Because the main strong point for BSNL is the wider coverage in the rural areas. So that is helpful for government departments to reach the rural people. Of course, we don't have 100% coverage. Right now, 70% of the rural areas are covered by BSNL service. So basically, we provide the basic service, and on that, other customers, they can have their own value-added services.
So, lots of questions. Okay.
In your presentation, you mentioned your coverage is majorly in major villages. So what about other remote villages or small villages? I mean, the 70% which you are saying, it is in major villages coverage only, or overall you are saying, including the remote villages, including small villages, including major villages? What is that percentage value?
See, in mobile service, we will be establishing one tower at one particular place. It may cover incidentally other smaller villages also. But strategically, we will plan our network in such a way that we will cover major population basis mainly. And as you're all aware that all the national highways, all the major train routes, all those things are covered. Along the routes, many incidental coverage will cover many of the villages, which we may not be able to count also. So many villages will be covering that way.